So here we are going to cover a topic, elongation of bar of uniformly tapering cross section. Now we are having a bar whose length is L, this total length is L. Its diameter D is at one end and small d at another end. Here its diameter is capital D and here its diameter is small d. And a load P is applied at the end as shown. We are considering a element dx at distance x. We are considering a element dx at distance x to study this problem. And the diameter, as this element is very small, so its starting and end diameter is d1. We are assuming it as d1. And here just this d is diameter of end. I have just drawn it little upward, no matter, we can consider it the diameter at the end. So for some little trigonometry, what will be this diameter d1? Consider a small wedge here, small wedge of missing portion. We are going to make a triangle out of this. So what will be its value? D minus D, capital D minus small d. And its value will be d1 minus d. You can say d1 minus d upon 2, capital D minus d upon 2, no matter, the calculation will be same. Now this is these two triangles are similar triangles, one triangle and two triangle, one triangle and two triangle. So we can say that x upon L is equal to d1 minus d, this x upon this total length is equal to this upon this. Just a simple trigonometry, and we will solve this equation and find out d1 as d plus d minus d x upon L. Just we are getting this after solving this equation for d1. Now we have found d, and area of cross section at x will be pi by 4 d1 square. We will put d1 value here. Now diameter of rod, now extension, its extension will be, extension of this small element will be PL upon AE. We will put its value P, length of this element is dx, area upon E, we will put this value. To find out total elongation, we will integrate, we will integrate it from L to 0, P dx, we will put its value here. It is a simple integration. After the integration we will get this value. So this is a standard formula to find out elongation of tapered bar. Next topic will be deformation of body due to self weight. We will cover it in next tutorial.